What's going on, guys? So the camera might be a little foggy because I just brought the camera from inside. So as the title says, we're going to be installing the Airaid air filter for the GT350, and we're going to be installing the JLT Rock Blockers for the side skirts, because basically a lot of the rocks get between here. Like there's some rocks in there now, like you guys can see right there. There's a bunch of like little rocks right there. The rocks just stay between here and they just get stuck and just kick up rocks between the side skirt, which is not a big problem because we got the whole fender and this piece down here clear broad, so it's not a big deal. But it will also make your job a lot easier, or if anything were to happen, you have a big rock or anything that hit and slide between here, it gives you another precaution. If you're going on like a long trips to go somewhere like state to state, this is a perfect thing to do. Like if you're going like to a mountains or something, that's perfect to do. But they recommend like if you're going to like a track day to take them out, because they potentially can fly out, but they also say on the website that they can handle up to 200 miles an hour. But we will see in the future how they handle. But a lot of people, I've been on the Mustang 6G forums, and I noticed a lot of people say that with JLT Rock Blockers, what they do is they take it out before they wash the car. After they finish washing the car, then they put the blockers back in the side skirt. So sharing that with you guys. So if you guys are watching this video, there's a tip for you guys. We are going to start the install here in a few seconds. I know some of you guys may be wondering how come I'm not doing it. So this is not my car, this is my dad's car. I mean, he doesn't mind if I do the installs, but I would rather him do the installs because it's his car. When it was time to do my car, he wanted me to make sure I do the installs. Of course, I might need a hand installing like a side skirt, rear lip or front lip, something like that, or a carbon fiber hood. But for this, I'm just gonna leave him enjoy the process of modifying the Shelby GT350. And basically this is his dream car. He also wanted to get a Shelby, and here it is. Go ahead and pop the hood. So if you guys don't know, the car is a keyless entry. As long as you have the key in your pocket, you can open up the door, of course. Let's pop the hood. Pretty easy, straightforward. Open, and then everything just opens up because we have the hood struts from Redline Tuning. If you guys want to find the video and where we've got this hood strut from, I'm gonna post it in the description of the video so you guys can check it out. But this is the stock air filter. This one is made out of paper basically, and as you guys can see already, the air filter, this car probably doesn't even have 500 miles on it, and the air filter is getting so dirty already and collecting a lot of debris and dirt. So today we are going to swap it out with the Airaid filter, but the one that we have is the red one. So we're going to share that process with you guys today of installing the air filter. And this is pretty easy. You just untighten the clamp, take the air filter off, put the new one in. I don't think there's going to be a much difference in sound overall, but we will share that with you guys today to see if there's a difference with the sound. But because of this car with the loud exhaust from stock with no resonators cut out, the R does not have resonators, but the regular GT350 has a resonator. So we'll see if it's even gonna make a big difference overall, but let's go. So I'm seeing if there's a difference in the sound. If not, then just unscrew the clamp that's holding this air filter. The filters look identical, so this is the stock one, and it has a little down to point down, same thing as the other one. So more than likely you probably will not see a big difference in hearing the intake sound compared to like my car. You definitely hear the intake, but this car, the intake, this is the red one right here, is basically identical. and it has like the down as well. The red definitely looks nice and matches the car. Easy 5-minute mod. Just take off the clamp of the old one, put the new one on. Just make sure you follow the arrow on the intake where it says down, and that's about it. So for the Airaid filter, there's a blue. You get to choose either between blue and red. We went with red because it matches the rest of the car. Definitely looks nice. Definitely looks nice. Pretty easy. Upgraded air filter. We have the JLT oil separator, and then there's another one for the driver's side as well. Car looks nice. Is there a lot of oil in there? Oh yeah, there's a bunch of oil in there. With the stripe, looks nice. Hit the unlock button. Got the sequencers. Then you got that fourth brake light at the bottom. Looks really nice and aggressive. It's dope. You can press the red button. See, that's the push to start button, right? Press it, and then everything's to light up, right? And then you can see the middle, right? If you press the exhaust, where's the exhaust button? Over all the way to the end, right? If you press up on it, hold. You can see it in the middle. It says normal, and then it's in sport, right? The car is in neutral, right? How can you tell if the car is in neutral? It is in the middle. You just wiggle it, right? It's in neutral, right? Alright, so you know how to push start it, right? You just push down on the clutch all the way, and then press the red button, right? Alright, so I'm gonna go in the front. Everything's fine. I do notice a difference. It's sucking more air. Here it's sucking more air. I definitely noticed that. It is a little bit louder. Yeah, you hear it? I can hear it. Oh, it's open now, right? You hear it? Press it one more time. Yeah, with the exhaust closed, you can hear it a lot more, but with it open, you can definitely hear it just a tad bit with the exhaust open. Yeah, it sounds a lot throatier now. So. Excellent mod. We're about to install the JLT Rock Blockers. It looks like a foam. Just a piece of foam that goes between the side skirts. It looks like that. Pretty straightforward, and you just line it up just like this and stick it in. It really isn't that noticeable, especially if you look from the side of the car. You probably won't even notice that it's there. It's not bad. It helps block out the rocks if anything were to fly up underneath there. Up on the car, as you can see, it's hard to tell if the JLT Rock Blockers is there. Looks good. Looks good. Really hard to tell if it's there if you're just walking up on the car. Alright, what's going on, guys? So it's actually the next day. Also had a bunch of lug nuts that we had been meaning to install. So on the stock wheels, well, he started putting some on. The stock wheels come with like chrome lug nuts, and we have these black, what are these, Gorilla? The original system Gorilla black lug nuts. Did it come with lock nuts too? One lock nut? Them is lock nuts. There are lock nuts, all of them? Yeah. Oh, nice. So all these are lock nuts, and that's the difference, black to just chrome. Big difference. especially when the car is rolling. But the stock wheels, these stock luggers don't have wheel locks in them, right? No, that's crazy. But yeah, as you guys can see, there is no wheel lock on them. So
only the R comes with.
Oh, wheel locks. Yeah, like we saw. So we saw R at the dealership, and we noticed that the R does come with wheel locks. But the R wheels is like a 6-spoke wheel, and they're actually a gloss black wheel. The ones on the regular GT350 is just a matte black, as you guys can see. So that gloss definitely makes it pop a lot more compared to the matte, but it still looks good overall. Alright guys, right now I'm editing the video. It's actually the next day, and we're about to start working on the GT350 again. So if you guys like this video, definitely smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, because there's more dope mods for my car, the Honda Civic Si, and my dad's GT350. A lot of mods for that we still have to install. So stay tuned, and if you guys want to be notified, hit the notification bell to be notified of when the videos drop and go live, so you don't miss a video, because a lot of dope videos, dope events, dope car shows are coming up real fast. So also I want to know, comment below, what is your guys' thoughts on the GT350? I know a lot of the people that subscribe are subscribers that started from watching the Honda Civic Si on where it came from stock to how it is now, and we still got a bunch of mods that I plan to do for the Honda Civic Si. But let me know in the comment below if you guys like the GT350, because I know the views have been down a little bit, but let me know, guys, what do you guys think about the GT350? Is it a thumbs up? Leave your comment below and let me know what you guys think about it. But that's the video. Smash the like button. This is definitely a dope video. Can't wait to share with you guys what else we have for both cars. Also, special announcement coming next week. If you guys are not following my Instagram, I do like updates on my car, the other car, what we have going on, our upcoming videos, so you guys get to see like a little sneak peek. So go ahead and follow my Instagram on the screen to be updated on the builds for the car. So I'm gonna post his Instagram and I'm gonna post my Instagram right here, so you guys can go ahead and follow it and be up to date on what's about to come for both cars. So stay tuned. Special announcement. So the special announcement is I have something that's coming from Japan that I've been ordered on the way, that's finally gonna be here sometime next week. So be ready for that and do not miss it, because I know I've been talking about it for a while. So some of you guys may know what it is already, some of you guys don't, so stay tuned. I can't wait for it to come in, because I've been waiting for a while for this mod to come in. So can't wait to share that with you guys. Stay tuned, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step towards your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace.